Good morning, happy Thursday. It is only 11 o'clock and it's already been quite a day. We had an inspection at the Clinton sisters, and these permits weren't even opened by us. These were permits that were inherited with the purchase of the sale, right? So permits back from 2007, 2017, all these permits that just wasn't closed from the previous owners and that we inherited when we bought it. And so the older Clinton sister is the side that we really didn't do much work on. We just did some cosmetic things because the investor prior to us buying it had already put in the work, did the plumbing, did the electric, and everything like that. So a huge lesson that we have learned from this experience with the Clinton sisters is that if you're buying a flip project from another investor who already started the work, double check their work, okay? There were things that came up that there was no way that we could have found even with, checking, like the huge crack in the pipe. These investors prior to us literally just put tape over like a 6-inch crack in the main pipe sewer line, okay? And they like changed the electric but didn't change the electric correctly and didn't ground everything correctly. So everything else looked nice, right? But then the inside of the house, the structure of the house really was like shitty work done, They did the work that was cost effectively for them and didn't care about who was buying the house and the homeowners next, right? And didn't put out a good product. That's just something that I will not. It's just never a dull day in this game of entrepreneurship and learning and real estate. I'm forever grateful for all the lessons we learned, because I truly believe that all the lessons you're learning right now is preparing you for what's to come, right? But I'm not gonna freaking lie, it's not easy, and it's like messes with your emotions and up and down. Like one day you're like feel like you're ahead, then tomorrow you shit happens and you're like 5 steps behind. But it is what it is. I'm grateful for it. I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful to be here. I'm grateful, to be walking and, for health. But, I'm not going to lie. It took me a second this morning when I heard the news about it and I snapped out of it, but it's just